Welcome back. In this lesson, we will explore the 8 core competencies of coaching as defined by the International Coaching Federation, or ICF, which is the leading global organization dedicated to advancing the coaching profession. As you learned in the previous lesson, the ICF sets rigorous standards, offers independent certification, and cultivates a global network of professional coaches. Today, there are more than 30,000 ICF certified coaches worldwide. If you would like to learn more, you can visit the website at coachingfederation.org. We will begin with an overview of all 8 core competencies. Then we'll take a closer look at core competency number 1, which is demonstrate ethical practice. The 8 core competencies are grouped into 4 overarching categories. First category is foundation, which includes demonstrates ethical practice and embodies a coaching mindset. Second category is co-creating the relationship. This includes establishes and maintains agreements, cultivates trust and safety, and maintains presence. Category number 3 is communicating effectively and includes listens actively and evokes awareness. Finally, category number 4, cultivating learning and growth, includes facilitates client growth. These competencies provide the framework for professional, ethical, and impactful coaching. Now, let's begin with the foundation category and dive into the first competency, demonstrates ethical practice. Ethics is the cornerstone of professional coaching. As an ICF coach, you are required to uphold the ICF Code of Ethics, which you will find included in your course materials, and you can also find it in their website. The ICF defines this competency as understand and consistently applies coaching ethics and standards of coaching. So how do you embody ethical practice as a coach? Here are 7 key behaviors. First, demonstrates personal integrity and honesty in all interactions with clients, sponsors, and stakeholders. Coaching relationships can be complex. For example, you might be coaching someone who reports to another person within the organization. Navigating such relationship requires a clear understanding of roles, agreements, and boundaries. Second, show sensitivity to the client's identity, context, values, and beliefs. Remember, it's their session, not yours. Respect their worldview without judgment, even if it differs from your own. Third, uses appropriate and respectful language with clients, sponsors, and stakeholders. Your communication should consistently reflect professionalism and cultural awareness. Number 4, abides by the ICF Code of Ethics and upholds ICF core values. This commitment was introduced earlier in the course and underpins everything we do as coaches. Number 5, maintains confidentiality according to the agreements and applicable laws. Confidentiality is critical. For instance, if you encounter a client in a public or social setting, you must not acknowledge the coaching relationship unless the client initiates it. Also, you are a mandated reporter, so be familiar with the laws in your jurisdiction concerning disclosures involving harm to self or others. Maintains clear distinctions between coaching, consulting, therapy, and other helping professions. As emphasized in the first video of this module, it's essential to know when you're coaching and when you're not. Number 7, refers clients to other professionals as appropriate. Coaches are not therapists, even if they have had that background. While coaching can be transformative, some situations require a different kind of support. Know your scope, trust the coaching process, and when in doubt, refer. Well, that wraps up our exploration of core competency number 1 demonstrates ethical practice. As you continue through this course, take time to review and reflect on the ICF Code of Ethics. Share it with the clients and be clear about your boundaries and responsibilities as a professional coach. In our next video, we will explore the second competency, embodies a coaching mindset. See you there.